Now we will be learning the general rule of Chaturthi Vibhakti. When does Chaturthi Vibhakti occur? When can we use Chaturthi Vibhakti? Let us take this example. Mata dadati. Mata dadati. Mata kim dadati? Mata dugdham dadati. Mata dugdham dadati. Kasmai dadati. Kasyai dadati. Putraya dadati. Mata putraya dugdham dadati. Mata putraya dugdham dadati. Atra yaha atra danakriya vartate. Danakriya ityukte, there is an act of giving. There is an act of receiving. Somebody is giving something to somebody. So when such a situation occurs, the receiver will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Here, Mata, mother, is giving the milk to the son. Now, the receiver is the son. So, receiver will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Mata Dugdham Putraya. Putraya is Akarant of Pullinga Putra Shabda Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So, the rule is Yatra Dana Kriya Asti Tatra Dana Svikartuhu Chaturthi Vibhakti Bhavati. So, if there is a Dana Kriya, then the receiver will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Now let us see some sentences. Bala Bhikshukaya Annam Dadati. Bala, the girl, gives food to the beggar. Here there is an act of giving of food to the beggar. Now beggar is the person who is receiving the food. So Bhikshuka is in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Bhikshukaya. Rohan Bharadwaj, can you read the next sentence?
Ram, sir. Vaidyaha Rughnaya Aushadhim Yachati.
The doctor
gives medicine to the deceased person.
Now, who is the receiver of the medicine?
Sir, patient, person.
Rugnaya. Rugnaya. So, Rugna is the word for patient or the diseased person. So, Rugna will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Yes, sir.
Kirtana.
Ram, sir.
Ram. Balaha.
Balaha mitraya pustakam dadati.
Atra kaha tatra svikarta kaha asti? Mitram. Mitram is the friend. Mitraya is Chaturthi Vibhakti. The boy gives the book to the friend. Balaha Mitraya Pustakam Dadati. Uttamam. Chhatra Lakshyamrita.
Mahodaya. Chhatra Agrajaye Lekhanim Dadati. The student gives the pen to the elder sister.
Atra Svikartri ka asti?
Agrajaye, the elder sister.
Agraja asti. Agraja should be in Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha. Muralidhara.
Ram. Raja Prajabhyah Dhanam Dadati. Prajabhyah Chaturthi Vibhakti, sir.
The king gives wealth to the subjects.
Yes.
Dhanyavada. Now we will practice some more exercises. Please, those who want to do the exercises, please raise your hands. Adur Balasubramanian. Adur Balasubramanian.
Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha. Atra Chitram Pashyatu. See the picture and you have to make sentences using this picture. The Udaharana first sentence is given below. In this case, the Chaturthi Vibhakti words you have to use in all the three Vachanas. You have to give three possible answers for the Chaturthi Vibhakti word. Ekavachana answer, Dvivachana answer, and Bahuvachana answer. Now example is Balakaha is the center. So always Balakaha will be the subject. Balakaha, the next thing, the next word outside the star in black color will be Balika. So Pushpa is something that is being given to that person. So based on this, use Dadati as the verb and frame the sentence.
बालकः अग्रजायै
Now Balika is the next sentence. You read the first sentence and then do the second one, please.
बालकः बालिकायै पुष्पं ददाति बालकः बालिकाभ्यां पुष्पं ददाति बालकः बालिकाभ्यः पुष्पं ददाति
Uttamam. Next one, sir.
बालकः अग्रजा शाटिकाम् अग्रजायै शाटिकां ददाति बालकः
Hmm.
अग्रजे शाटिकां ददाति
Where is Agraje?
sorry अग्रजाभ्यां
Hmm.
बालकः अग्रजाभ्यां शाटिकां ददाति
Hmm.
बालकः अग्रजाभ्यः शाटिकां ददाति
Very good. What is the meaning of Shatika?
सारी
What is the meaning of Agraja?
elder sister
So, sentence, boy gives sari to the elder sister, elder sisters. So, धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः
Neil Shetty.
Ram, sir.
Ram.
Sir, do I have to read the Balika sentence or should I directly go for the Anuja?
Directly go for Anuja.
Okay, sir. Balakah Anujayai Pustikam Dadati. Balakah Anujabhyam Pustikam Dadati. Balakah Anujabhyah Pustikam Dadati.
Arthaha kaha vakyasya?
Anuja means younger sister. Pustika, I'm not sure, but I think it's a book.
Booklet. Small book.
Booklet. Okay.
Hmm.
Balakah Vridhayai.
Ekramsham. The meaning of that sentence.
Okay. So the boy is giving his younger sister or younger sisters the small booklet.
He is giving iti nagachati. Gives tavadeva.
Okay. Gives his younger sisters a small booklet.
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadas.
Pragun.
Ram sir. Balakah vridhayai syutam dadati. Balakah vridhabhyam syutam dadati. Balakah vridhabhyah syutam dadati.
So, arthaha kaha?
The boy gives back. The boy gives the bag to the old man.
Old
Woman.
Very good. Dhanyavadah. Shrikant Arya.
Yeah, namaste sir.
Namaste.
Balakah karm karyai marjanim dadati. Balakah karm karibhyam marjanim dadati. Balakah karm karibhyah marjanim dadati.
Arthaha kaha?
Boy gives a scrubber to the maid servant.
Scrubber or broomstick or whatever. Dhanyavadah. Vinod Sharma.
बालकाः गोप्यै घटं ददाति.
Very good.
बालकः गोपीभ्यां घटं ददाति. बालकः गोपीभ्यः घटं ददाति. The
Uttamam.
boy gives ghatam, the pot to the gopi.
Uttamam. MC Sriram.
नमो नमः. एक बालकः सहोदर्यै लेखनीं ददाति. बालकः सहोदरीभ्यां लेखनीं ददाति. बालकः सहोदरीभ्यः लेखनीं ददाति. The boy gives a pen to his the sister.
Lata PL.
राम राम महोदय.
राम राम.
बालकः तापस्यै फलं ददाति.
उत्तमं.
बालकः तापसीभ्यां फलं ददाति. बालकः तापसीभ्यः फलं ददाति. The boy gives the fruit to female ascetics or female ascetics.
To the tapasi, some
Tapasi,
words
yes.
in tapasi. Some of the words in Sanskrit are non-translatables. But one request is phala. We have to in
Phala.
Hindi. In Hindi we pronounce phala, but in Sanskritam we pronounce phala.
Phala. Yes.
Dhanyawad. That was very good response. So these are the answers. Anyway, all of you told.